Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this is going to turn into a big downtrend. Most likely it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. I still believe it's most likely going to go down to one of these two Fibonacci extension levels. And like I said, I think this is a 1. We're probably in a wave 2, and hopefully the wave 3 is already started. It's just very, very early in the wave 3. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I still believe that this is lower lows, lower highs, wave 1. I still think this move up is a wave 2 correction. We are definitely respecting the 50%, so it does look like we possibly may have the end of this correction starting to form, and hopefully it does over the coming weeks and coming months continue to make lower lows, lower highs in this wave 3. So let's take it down even further to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's very clear this is a nice five-wave pattern to the downside. Looks like a wave 1. I think this is three waves up, three waves down, three waves up for a WXY. I mean, it did go beyond the 50%, but I would definitely consider it respecting the 50% and pulse it down. This move up looks very corrective. I think there's a very good likelihood that it will make a lower high. This is a 1, this is a 2, and we're going to keep on going down for a wave 3, just like what I was showing on the much longer time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like impulsive down. It looks like it already made three waves up, and this looks impulsive down also. This looks like three waves up, so I think it is definitely making lower lows, lower highs, and I do think there's a very good likelihood that it will continue to do so. So I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback that I see for the continuation of the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks like one, two, three waves up. I mean, this move down is very overlapping so far, and we do have some dollar news today, but hopefully the dollar news will actually cause another entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. At least until we have some evidence on the higher time frames that the trend is actually still up, which I don't really think it is. I think the trend is most likely down right now. Then until that happens, I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of what is hopefully a wave 3 of wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.